All right, so I'm gonna show you guys how I go about baking. So I've got this. You don't need to have water to spray it, but you can. It does help your bread to be softer, and it turns out better a lot of times, so that's nice. But here's my Dutch oven. It's just empty. I've got my lid right here. We've got this, which I don't even know what this is, but it helps for like dusting stuff with flour, so I usually use that. And then over here, I also have this. And this is like an insert you can use instead of parchment. I kind of like it because I feel like it's easier to lift, it doesn't tear, it's easy to utilize. And then the other thing that you probably want to have is rice flour. So let me grab that. And I'll show you guys kind of like the first step in baking. And then we'll definitely have to take a break while the oven preheats. And then I'll come back and show you the next step. And then if you want, we can look at a finished loaf together. So what I'm gonna do is take this and just spray it with this water. It's not very much, but that's perfectly fine. I don't know if you can see, maybe better from above. If you can tell how much water is in there. Kai's like, what are you doing? All right. So that is sprayed with water. You want to go ahead and put the lid on, and then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to set the oven to 450. So we will bake 450. All right, start. And I have my baking stone in here, down on the rack underneath. I'm going to let you guys see. And so that kind of makes it so like when you do stick your loaf in there and you go to bake it, that it doesn't burn on the bottom, which is super, super helpful. So while that's preheating, which I don't know, I don't really like time it exactly. I'm just like, if it's done, it's done. If it's not, it's not. Then I will, you know, that's my oven. I'm sorry, he's like distracting me. Kai, not right now. So over here, I have my rice flour. I have this little thing. And I have the silicone insert. Glad I don't know what the names of anything are. You'll probably definitely also want a bread lame. I have one, but it's shaped like different. It doesn't look like most of them. I bought it because I wanted something small and easy and like, I don't know. So this is my lame. It's like legit just a razor inside here. So you push it out, you use it, and then you push it back in and you're done. But we don't need that yet. We'll go ahead and take the rice flour and then just do like a really light layer of flour. It'd be good if you knocked on that door any other time but now. Okay, so I'm gonna add like a little bit more flour. Probably don't want to do too much, honestly. Like, it'll just be flour that you kind of have to hit off at the end. This makes it really nice because it is like a thin layer, even though it might look like a lot. Kai, not right now. There's nothing out there that you need, not right now. Okay, it's hot. You're gonna want right back in. Okay, give me like 2 minutes, hopefully. All right, so you guys see, you saw me do this. There's this thing covered in flour. It's a big mess. So I don't need to get my bread out yet. Like I said, I'm gonna probably make another video once the oven is preheated. You want to completely preheat your Dutch oven with a lid on. You can put water in it or you don't have to. I'm gonna leave this out right here, and I'm also gonna leave the lame right here. And then I'm gonna get some all-purpose flour. So when I go to put my loaf down on here, I can dust it with all-purpose flour, and then I can go ahead and score it with my bread lame, grab my Dutch oven out of the oven, place it inside, and then do my bake. So anyways, I will get back to you guys.